Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode by holding your finger on it. You can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off automatically when your device is charged up to 16%, and you can set up to turn on automatically at a specific battery level, and here you can pick like 25%. Power saving mode will be enabled automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.